So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. Right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. There's also going to be 3 links down below in the description for Nvidia, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an Nvidia graphics card, so I got the Nvidia app. And now once you're on our graphics card software, you want to go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. If you have an update you need to do, you want to click on download. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down a little bit until we find display enhancement service. Here it is, display enhancement service. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running. And then click on OK. For the last step, you want to restart your computer and this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to use the application instead. That will be your new brightness slider. So you want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to search for Twinkle Tray. Click on it. You want to find Twinkle Tray brightness slider. You want to install this. I use this myself. And now once you install it, if you look in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow and it should appear right here. You want to drag it right here and it's now going to be here. You can now click on it and you can now change the brightness of your monitor. It's not going to show on the YouTube video, but in real life, it's actually changing the brightness of my monitor. So use this instead.